The probate process begins by filing a petition with the court that requests that an individual or more than one individual be appointed to represent an estate. So when a person passes away without a trust, everything that they owned, with some exceptions, it is vested into or becomes part of a separate entity that the law considers to be similar to a person, but it's called an estate, and everything that you own it's then owned by the estate. So we have this entity that owns things, and the law needs a person who can manage those things and then make sure that they're distributed in accordance with either the law or a will if a person has a will. And so the petition basically is set for a hearing. We appear in court. The judge will review the petition, make sure that all the requirements of the law are met. There may or may not be a requirement, for example, that a bond be posted in order to protect the interest of the estate if somebody makes a financial mistake. Make sure that the person who is filing the petition is a person who's legally entitled to step into the role, that there's a hierarchy, for example, of family members that are defined by law in terms of who would have first or second or third priority. If a person has a will, it's going to be a person that is named in the will to assume that role. It's going to be a person of good moral character, a person who doesn't have a history, for example, of embezzling money or doing those kinds of things.